Moving on to the next question in this series of GATE 2024 Electrical Engineering Solutions from the subject General Aptitude. It is again of 2 marks, MCQ type, multiple choice question. Question number 9, the master question from GATE 2024 Electrical Engineering from the subject General Aptitude is as follows. Question number 9. 2 marks, MCQ type. It is given in the question. The assembly shown below has three teethed or circular objects. Pinions, and 2 teethed flat objects, racks, which are perfectly mating with each other. Perfectly mating with each other. Okay. It is additionally further it is given your pinions rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay. And racks translate towards the left or right direction. And it is given, after that it is given, if the object A rack is translating towards the right direction, the correct statements among the following is statements are given as option A, object B translates towards the right direction. Option B, object B translates towards the left direction. Object B translates towards the left direction. Option C is given as object R rotates in anti-clockwise or counterclockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. And option D, object Q rotates in clockwise direction. everything is given anti-clockwise. Anyway, it's the same, but still. Okay. So basically, this is the question. The figure given is this object A. Something like this. Okay. Object P is given as something like this. Okay. And object is given as something like this. Okay, and the last one on the list. Okay, and this object A is moving towards the right direction. Is given. Another object P, object Q, object R, and this is object B. So this is the question basically, written the question. Okay. And it is given the assembly shown below is the assembly. Three tethered circular objects. These are the tethered circular objects, object P, Q, R. These are pinions. So these three are pinions actually. And two tethered flat objects. That is racks. These are racks. This is one rack and this is one rack. Which are perfectly meeting each other. As you can see, the teeth are meeting each other. Pinions rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, circular motion. And the racks undergo translation motion. That is, they either rotate towards right or left. And it is given that object A is translating towards the right direction. Therefore, the object A is moving towards right में जा रहा है object A. So we need to verify or identify the correct statement among the options given. So let's get started. Let's check the options one by one. First option is object B translates towards the right direction. Let's see what will happen if object A rotates towards the right. Object A is rotating towards the right, so this is moving towards the right. It will push this pinion in this direction. Right. What direction is this? This is clockwise direction. Now these are also mating with each other. So if this moves clockwise, so this will move again clockwise. But this will move. This will make this move in this direction. So this will also move in this direction. This is so object P rotates in clockwise direction. Object Q rotates in, as you can see, this is the direction is anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. And again, object Q and R are meeting, so this will anti-clockwise, so this is anti-clockwise. This anti-clockwise means this is teeth are meeting, so this will make this to rotate in this direction. So this will be again clockwise. So this will be clockwise. Okay. Now, again these teeth are meeting. This is moving this in this direction. So this will move in this direction. These are meeting. So this will make this move in the left direction. Right. As I have shown. So this will move towards left. This is towards right. Let me summarize or explain it in sequential order. Again, this will move towards right. These are meeting, so this will make it move in this direction, that is clockwise. Again, these are meeting, so clockwise means this is also clockwise. Entire object P pinion is rotating clockwise. So it will make object Q, which is another pinion, also rotate in this direction, push it in this direction. This will be what? Anti-clockwise. Object Q pinion will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Again, these teeth are meeting, so it will make what? This is moving this direction, that is anti-clockwise. This is also moving this direction. So it will be so that the object pinion object R will again move in the clockwise direction. तो ये clockwise हो गया तो फाइनल क्या हो जाएगा? ये जो direction है ये clockwise तो ये भी clockwise. So these are also meeting. So it will make the object B, which is the rack, move in the left direction. So I have written all the directions, correct directions of rotation or translation. Rotation for the pinions, object PQR, translation for the object B. Given the translation of object A is in the right direction, as in given the question. हम लोग आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. Let's identify the correct statements one by one. Let's take the options basically. Object B translate towards the right direction. Object B is translating towards the left direction. So this is wrong. This is left actually. Which is the second next option. Object B translates to the left direction, which is correct. ठीक है. Now object R is moving in what? Object R clockwise, but it is given anti-clockwise here. This is wrong. This should be clockwise. And object D, sorry, object Q. Option D, object Q. Object Q, as we have observed, is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. But here in the options, option D is given clockwise. So again, this is incorrect. It will be anti-clockwise basically. So we have identified the correct option, correct statement among the options as option D, which is object B translates towards the left direction, as is clearly evident here. Object B is moving towards the left direction, provided object A moves in the right direction. Okay, now if the translation direction of object is reversed in the question, suppose, then all the directions will reverse. This will become anti-clockwise, this will become clockwise, this will become anti-clockwise, this will become right. So if object A becomes rotates in the right direction, these are the correct directions: clockwise for object P, anti-clockwise for object Q, clockwise for object R, and left translation for object B. And so the correct answer for this question is the statement in option B. Object B translates towards the left direction. So I have explained all the process of identifying the right statement by showing clearly the directions, and also explained how we are obtaining the directions for the rotation of the pinions of object PQR and translation for the racks object A and B in detail, great detail. I hope it is quite simple and clear if you follow my explanation carefully. But if you still have any doubts or queries for this question, please feel free to ask in the comment section. And that's all for the solution to this